Good morning. Well, it's actually afternoon. We forgot to end the vlog last night, and then we forgot to start it this morning. So we went out and did some stuff. Went to Casa Batllo and Camp Nou and did a Gothic walking tour to Barcelona, or Barcelona, depending on who you talk to. And forgot to record the opening for it. So this is the opening. So I'm going to put all that footage that I just talked about after this. And get you caught up with the rest of the day. We're waiting for our friends Denny and Patty to show up. And then tonight we are going up to Montjuic. Watch the fountains. We might take the cable car up there, not sure yet. And then we're going to go try a restaurant that sells like food by the stick. And they only pay for the amount of sticks that you eat food off of. They're like toothpicks. Anyway, we'll have footage of that as well. And that will end our first day here in Barcelona. See you soon. Here we are at Casa Batllo. One of the first landmarks here in Spain. We are continuing our tour of Casa Batllo. This is just another room of Gaudi's work. The courtyard at Casa Batllo. Casa Batllo here in Barcelona. This is the roof of Casa Batllo. As you can see, Gaudi's works were a lot of fluids and curves and smooth lines and ceramics. Earthy colors and artistry, just beautiful. You can see there, it kind of looks like a spine of a dragon as it goes up and back down over there. Church that we're going to see on the very last stop. They're both from the 14th century, and this is considered a perfect example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Now, what do I mean when I say that? But one day Charles woke up and he was really, really worried. Oh yeah, I can see that. The reason he was worried was because his territory was being invaded by the Normans. There was only one man who could help him, and that was Wilfred. And Wilfred bravely went into battle, but unfortunately even the bravest warriors sometimes get injured, and that's what happened. So, you're not dead yet, you're just injured. and Charles was devastated. He really wanted to give something to Wilfred and his people, just to thank him for all of the years of service. So he travelled to his tent, he saw Wilfred lying there, but Wilfred had no flag, it was just gold leaf.
at that moment, Charles knew how to repay Wilfrid. He would give his people a flag, and he dipped them into Wilfrid's bloody wound. And he drew them down. The flag is one of the oldest in Europe. It's from the 12th century. He is real. We're going to meet him again on the tour. He died in the 10th century. But the legend is from the 16th century, so that probably didn't happen. But still, it does for the Catalan people. It resembles the four stripes of blood.
Alright, we're going to go into this church, the Santa Maria de Pai, and look at the giants. Big in the Catalan era in history. Cute little narrow streets. Gothic Quarters. Really great tour so far. You can see the tips of the cathedral up there. And he sent them, and they were put up. And the one you see at the front, that just represents Catalan cultural sort of festivities. It actually shows Palm Sunday, and you see an example of the giants and the people in the middle with their palms. Now, talking about sort of traditions, I just want to warn you about something about this tour. They have to feed it, so they leave food at night, and in the morning, the food is gone. And if they're very good, on the 24th of December, they put a little blanket on the log, and each kid lines up and beats the log with a stick and sings a little song, and maybe I'll ask the Catalan to sing the song. More or less, yeah. So what he's saying is, please poop presents. Yep. And if the kids have been really good, they lift up the blanket and the log has pooped out presents. Little sweets, typical sweets and toys. But this goes even further. So if they have like the crib at Christmas time with Mary and Joseph and the donkey and the Catalan shepherd, who is this guy? And they don't have this just to shock the tourists. They believe what you take from the land, you give back to the land. So this was like good luck. But nowadays, it's got out of hand. So I do have to update this. We're walking towards the main cathedral. Huge and super impressive. Hello! We have now arrived. We finished our walking tour. It was really, really good, really informative. Highly recommend it. And now we've made our way to the other side of Barcelona, and we are at Camp Nou, or home of the
FC Barcelona Soccer Club.
What he said. It's probably football club though, dear. Probably football club.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go on a tour here now. Here is the outside of the stadium. We're just walking in to go to our tour. It's a self-guided tour. It's not like a tour that's got a guide or anything. We just
we like touring sports stadiums, so we wanted to check it out. Walking out to how the visiting team just goes out onto the field. Okay, we're back. Don't mind my look. Our air conditioning in our room is broken and it's about 95 degrees. And my flat iron won't work because it keeps shorting out our converter. So this is what you get for the next 2 days. We are about to take the funicular, is that how you say those things that we're sitting in? Up to Montjuic. We are going to see there's a castle up there, and there's also some light up magic fountains.
And there's an Olympic Stadium.
Oh, and the Olympic Stadium's up there too. So
Is it just tapas up?
see you soon. So we are up at Montjuic, or whatever it's called. Juic. There's cable cars that'll take you the rest of the way up to the mountain if you're not there after close, like apparently we are. We thought they were open till 9, closed at 7. So, we're hoofing it. Well, I'm out of breath. And I just walked up, I don't even know how many stairs. Hundreds. But we made it. Hey, you can't see right now, but the port's behind us, so we saw a cruise ship in port. And now I think we're on the back side of it. Oh, there's Dominic, he says hi. Well, so far in Barcelona, we get to everything about 2 minutes after it closes. 7:32 when we walked into the castle. Last ticket sold at 7:30. So now we have to hoof it back down the mountain. But we found the port, and there's an AIDA ship. Back there's a Costa one. But we're going to keep walking. Some of the castle grounds. Looks like a really pretty place to explore. It does cost €5 per adult to get in. This little sitting area. Oh, there's the Costa ship. Oh, we got, I don't remember what that ship is called, but somewhere down in there is where we will be embarking on our Sunday cruise on Sunday. Not gonna lie, as much as I've enjoyed Paris and I'm enjoying Barcelona, my feet hurt, my legs hurt. Done a lot of walking, which is great, but I'm ready for my first day at sea. Besides the castle, as we're looping around on this path, we don't really know where it takes us, but we have high hopes. We passed those runners on the other side, so we're guessing it comes out somewhere. All right, update. Still walking, and walking, and walking. Still look like hell. Oh, I shouldn't swear on the vlog. Heck, still look like heck. Now we are trying to get down to the fountains that we hope are going to put a show on for us. Now we're thinking that might be questionable, but we will find out. But in the meantime, just walking. Alright, we made it after all the walking to the fountains. Not totally sure what they do, but we know at least this time of the year they light up starting at 9 o'clock, and they do. But it's only on Friday and Saturday nights this time of the year. I think during the busier tourist time of the year, they do it every night of the week. There are a ton of people here. On some street that seems to have a lot of Pinchos, is that what they're called?
Carrier de Belaya.
Carrier de Belaya, and I think they're called Pinchos. They're these little kind of small things that come with sticks in them all over the place. Multiple restaurants around here. And you go in, you pick what you want, and then you save your sticks, and that's how you pay for it at the end.
For you, madam.
Thank you.